If you work in the web industry, it means that you will not have 10 or 15 customers. It can mean that you will have hundreds or thousands of customers. So there is plenty of web-based services for startups. Firstly, I would recommend to spend some time on Google and to ask Google what kind of services are currently available. That means I would ask Google, for example, best marketing tools for startups or top 10 applications for startups. So first I would like to suggest to the startups, so they need to find a way how to find these things even without this video blog. Then I would start with some basic marketing communication. That means when there is a new startup, it should have some kind of branding, it should have marketing and promotional materials, it should have website, and it should have some system that would save information about customers. So when we talk about branding, we can talk about crowdsource services. These services are based on communities of graphics that offer their services via web. That means that if you are a startup, you put your proposal. For example, I need logo for my company. Logo should be white or black. I'm producing or manufacturing something. And then these graphics give you their proposals. So you can have 50, 100, 150 proposals. And if you choose one of them, then you pay for it. So it's vice versa than standard or traditional process of how to get your branding, that you pay the agency, they give you 2 or 3 options, and you select one. So this is about branding. Then you can hire a graphic all around the world. There are services, for example, odesk.com or elance.com, that are, again, communities of graphic designers, of programmers, or administrative staff, and you put your project in. That means I need graphic designer for something, and they offer you their services. You can see their product portfolio in graphic designers. You see what they did, leaflets, website, etc. You see their work history. So you see how many stars they have in quality of work, quality of communication. You see their pricing, how much they charge for hour of work. And then you do some interviews and you hire them. Great thing about this that you are 100% in control of their work, because you receive their work diary together with screenshots of their screens. So you see exactly if these 2 works they charged you, if they were working on your branding or website or anything. So this is about branding. Then you have brand, you have logo, you have some basic maybe icons or something, and you need website. So I suggest you to find some template websites that offer new or, let's say, used website templates that you can use right away. And these templates, some of them, they just look awesome. Some of them look like they cost hundreds of thousands crowns, and they cost, let's say, $10 or $15. So what I suggest to my clients is to spend their money, their marketing money, on the content, make quality product pictures, make quality texts. If they cannot write, to use copywriter, and the format to buy for a couple dollars from the net. So you have website. You can also buy template for print materials, brochures, leaflets, treefolds, business card, everything. I give you a hint. One of the greatest websites about this is ThemeForest or graphicriver.com. So you are ready to go to offer your service to clients. I will not talk about promotion like PPC campaigns, how to get your website to the clients, but I will skip this step and get to the point when you received first requests, first demands, or first contacts from the customer. You should be able to save information about these clients. So you should use CRM systems. That means customer relationship management systems that save all and store all information about your contacts, about your leads, about your sales. If you work in the web industry, it means that you will not have 10 or 15 customers. It can mean that you will have hundreds or thousands of customers. So it's crucial to follow up all leads, to have all these customers in one place. And if you are doing internet marketing properly, that means if you blog, if you send them newsletter, you should have all these contacts in one place. So you could say, okay, so now I will send the newsletter to this specific group. These CRM systems are on the web. They are web-based, software as a service. So you are not paying hundreds or thousands of crowns or dollars. You pay, let's say, $8 to $20 per user per month, and you pay month by month. That means that you can try before buy for 1 month and then use it. And if you don't like it, you just export your data and quit, which is great. In the field of CRM systems, I would propose Capsule CRM, Pipeline Deals, or Basecamp, which are, I think, the simplest and greatest CRMs on the web currently. If there are software makers or maybe any other companies that want to have control on their projects, they should also use project management systems, which we didn't mention. And from the creators of Basecamp, Basecamp is basically a project management system that together with Highrise is also CRM. And these project management tools, they keep track about all your current projects, about to-do lists, that means what needs to be done, if it's been done or not, who is responsible, if it's late, etc. So if you run multiple projects and entrepreneurship is only doing multiple projects, multiple tasks at once, you need to keep track on this. So these project management tools really help you to make projects on time and also on budget.